Madagascar, an island so vast and unique it's often called the eighth continent. Separated from Africa and India millions of years ago, it has evolved in isolation, creating a sanctuary for life found nowhere else. Here, nature has experimented freely, producing creatures and plants of extraordinary design. Over 90% of its wildlife is unique to the island, a living museum of evolution. The landscapes shift from lush rainforests to spiny deserts, each fueling a burst of new species. Lemurs, not monkeys, rule the trees. The fossa, not big cats, stalks the shadows. Every corner holds a new wonder, challenging our understanding of nature's creativity. Madagascar's story is also human. The first settlers arrived not from Africa but from distant Borneo, blending cultures into the rich Malagasy identity. This dual narrative of nature's isolation and human adaptation makes Madagascar a world apart. To visit is to step back in time, to witness evolution's grand experiment. The air is alive with sounds and sights found nowhere else. Its isolation is both a treasure and a challenge, shaping every life on the island. Here, the human and natural worlds are deeply intertwined, each shaping the other. Madagascar whispers secrets of our planet's deep past. It stands as a testament to the power of time, solitude, and resilience. If one animal embodies Madagascar, it's the lemur. These primates, found nowhere else, arrived millions of years ago and flourished in a world free from monkeys and apes. From the tiny mouse lemur to the singing Indri, lemurs fill every niche, each with its own story. Watch a troop of ring-tailed lemurs parade their striped tails, or a sifaka leap sideways through the trees. Each species is a marvel of adaptation. Over 100 lemur species exist, each a testament to evolution's creativity. Some, like the ai, have bizarre adaptations. Others, like bamboo lemurs, thrive on toxic plants. But this kingdom is under threat. Deforestation is destroying their only home. Lemurs can't escape. Their fate is tied to the forests. Protecting lemurs means protecting Madagascar's entire ecosystem. Their survival is in our hands. The story of the lemurs is a story of survival against the odds. To lose them would be to lose a living symbol of Madagascar's uniqueness. Their future depends on the choices we make today. Madagascar is the world's chameleon capital. Over half of all known species live here. These reptiles are masters of disguise, but their color changes are more than camouflage. They're a language. Chameleons communicate mood, intent, and attraction through shifting hues. Their eyes move independently, scanning for prey and danger with a 360-degree view. When they strike, their tongues shoot out at lightning speed, snaring insects with precision. From the giant Parsons chameleon to the tiny Brookischer micra, evolution has filled every niche. Some are giants in the canopy, others, no bigger than a fingernail, vanish among the leaf litter. But like the lemurs, chameleons are threatened by habitat loss. As forests fall, their world shrinks. These slow-moving specialists can't adapt quickly. Saving chameleons means saving the intricate web of life that makes Madagascar extraordinary. Their survival is a measure of the island's health. The Avenue of the Baobabs is a landscape from a dream. Giant trees lining a dusty road, their trunks like ancient pillars. 6 of the world's 9 baobab species are found only in Madagascar. These trees are natural reservoirs, storing water in their massive trunks to survive harsh, dry seasons. For centuries, they've provided water, food, and shelter to people and wildlife alike. Lemurs feast on their fruit, bats and moths pollinate their flowers, birds nest in their crevices. Each baobab is a vertical ecosystem, a keystone of its environment. Yet the forests around them have been cleared, leaving these giants as lonely sentinels. The avenue is a beautiful but poignant reminder of what's been lost. Preserving baobabs means restoring the forests and supporting the communities that depend on them. These ancient trees are symbols of resilience and of the urgent need for protection. Their survival is tied to the fate of Madagascar's people and wildlife. The baobabs stand as guardians of a vanishing world. In Madagascar's eastern rainforests, life is deeply connected to nature. Villages are built from forest materials, and daily life follows the rhythms of sun and season. The forest is larder, pharmacy, and sanctuary, its secrets passed down through generations. Rice farming shapes the landscape and culture, with terraced paddies carved into hillsides. Planting and harvest are communal, binding villages together in shared purpose. This harmony with nature is delicate. Isolation preserves tradition but brings challenges. Limited access to education, healthcare, and opportunity. The need for farmland can drive deforestation, putting people at odds with conservation. Supporting these communities is vital. Empowering them as guardians of the forest ensures both their future and the rainforest's survival. Their fate and the fate of the forest are inseparable. The challenge is to balance tradition, progress, and conservation. The rainforest's future depends on the people who call it home. In Madagascar, the living and the spirits are never far apart. Ancestor reverence shapes daily life. Fadi or taboos guide actions and protect the land. Tombs are sacred, often more elaborate than homes, connecting families to their ancestors. The Famadihana, or turning of the bones, is a joyful festival. Families dance with their ancestors, celebrating memory and unity. Food is central. Rice is the staple, served with laoka, dishes reflecting Asian, African, and French influences. Meals are for sharing, reinforcing community bonds. Music and dance, with instruments like the bamboo valiha, express the island's spirit. Storytelling keeps history and values alive, passed from one generation to the next. These traditions are living, not relics, rooting people in their past as they face a changing world. Culture and nature are intertwined, each shaping the other. In Madagascar, identity is a tapestry woven from memory, music, and the land itself. Madagascar's beauty stretches far beyond its rainforests. The central highlands rise in rolling hills and mountains, terraced for rice and dotted with villages. To the west and south, spiny forests and deserts host plants like the octopus tree and animals adapted to arid extremes. The Sinki, razor-sharp limestone pinnacles form a labyrinth where lemurs and reptiles leap and climb. These otherworldly landscapes are sanctuaries for unique life. Madagascar's coastline, over 5,000 kilometers long, offers white sand beaches, mangroves, and vibrant coral reefs. The Mozambique Channel teems with marine life. Humpback whales, sea turtles, and dazzling fish. Coastal communities depend on these waters for their livelihoods. From mountain peaks to ocean depths, Madagascar is a world of contrasts and wonders. Each landscape adds a new thread to the island's rich tapestry. The diversity here is a testament to life's resilience. Madagascar is a living showcase of nature's endless creativity. Madagascar's paradise is fragile. Its unique biodiversity is under siege. Deforestation for agriculture, charcoal, and illegal logging is shrinking the forests at an alarming rate. Over 90% of the original forest is gone. Species with nowhere else to go face extinction. Lemurs, chameleons, and countless plants are at risk. Each loss is a silent tragedy, but hope remains. National parks and protected areas are expanding, and reforestation projects are taking root. Ecotourism offers sustainable livelihoods, giving communities a reason to protect their natural heritage. The challenge is immense, but it's a shared responsibility. Madagascar's biodiversity is a global treasure. Supporting conservation, making responsible choices, and raising awareness can all make a difference. The health of our planet is interconnected. The loss of Madagascar's forest diminishes us all. We must act now, with urgency and hope. The future depends on collaboration between local people and the world. Protecting Madagascar is about more than saving species. It's about preserving the story of life itself. The time to act is now. Together we can ensure this island's wonders endure. We've journeyed through Madagascar's wonders, dancing lemurs, ancient baobabs, and rainforests alive with song. This island is more than a place, it's a living reminder of nature's creativity and fragility. To care for Madagascar is to care for the diversity that sustains our world. Its unique life forms are vital chapters in the story of evolution. The future hangs in the balance, preserving tradition, embracing new solutions, and protecting habitats. The Malagasy people are the island's greatest guardians. Our role is to support and empower them. Let Madagascar's story inspire us to cherish and protect the natural world everywhere. The eighth continent's song must not be silenced. Its fate is our shared responsibility. Let us work together to ensure Madagascar's wonders endure for generations to come.